Everyone, B3OS is now live in public beta, and today we are super excited to announce that you can use B3OS with your OpenClaw agent. Historically, the problem with OpenClaw and giving it crypto or your private keys has been the risk of it going rogue, interacting with malicious contracts, so on and so forth. But with B3OS, what we've done is architected a safe sandbox environment where your OpenClaw agent won't interact with these malicious contracts and only executes with your permission. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Here on the b3os.org agents page, you can install our MCP server very easily. There's a couple ways to do it. You can copy and paste, one-click install with Claude, with Codex, with Cursor, and others. And you can also go to our detailed docs page if you want to check out all the specs around actions, triggers, and the wallet security and framework that we've put together. But today, I want to show you something really cool with OpenClaw and B3OS. So let's dive in. Here, we'll go to my Telegram. And what I've already done is set up OpenClaw with a Mac Mini and connected it to my B3OS server. And so what you're able to do right now is talk to OpenClaw and tell it to run commands related to B3OS. So the first thing I'm going to do is ask it, how much funds do I have in my B3OS treasury wallet? Awesome. So B3Claw has come back and said, here's your treasury wallet on chain. Here's how much I have across different tokens and different chains. And so combined, looks like I have a whopping $68. Awesome. So let's take the USDC on Arbitrum, use the USDC, open up a 10x long on Hyperliquid, let's do $10 of the USDC on Arbitrum. So what you see here is you can tell your Claw agent essentially transactions, trading strategies that you want to execute using your B3OS wallet, and it's only doing what you're telling it to do. It won't go rogue or outside of this environment. So looks like Claw's pretty smart, knows I'm a degen, already have a 5x position open. It's helping me change the leverage to 10x, which is great. More degen, higher liquidation risk. It's asking me if I want to add another $10. Yes, add $10. Awesome. There you go. B3Claw has executed the transaction. Now our total long, our total notional value, looks like it's $99. And we've used $10 of margin, probably the other $2 that I had on my previous long, and market's doing well. So this is fantastic. Now, the second thing I want to do here is I want to be able to sleep at night, right? So with 10x leverage, it's decently risky. So I want to know when we are close to being liquidated on our position. So what I'm going to tell B3Claw here is tell me or DM me when I am close to liquidation on this position. Awesome. So what B3Claw is doing right now is building out essentially an alerting workflow that leverages B3OS to pull together different nodes and different connectors to execute this alerting workflow. So right now, that's about 12% away from liquidation. Looks like B3Claw will set up an alert when it drops within 5% of our liquidation price, which is amazing, 7,500. I don't know. I'm feeling pretty good about the market. So yeah, 7,500 feels pretty safe to me. Awesome. So right now it's asking me, hey, I could just monitor it in our chat and message you directly. Yes, just monitor in our chat or message me directly. So with B3OS, you have the flexibility to get notifications via text, via Slack, via Discord, email, or just directly in your chat with your Claw agent. So there really is a lot of flexibility around where you get your notifications and how you set up your trading environment. Perfect. So looks like the workflow is set up. and B3 Claw will check B3 price periodically and ping us if we're about to be liquidated. And so that is great. Those are the two things I want to show you today. Super easy to set up B3 Claw with anything in your environment. Number two, you can open up a Hyperliquid position or position on any perp specs just by talking to the agent. And I think most importantly, what we've done is architect this in a way that's safe, and the execution is essentially done in this sandbox environment with guardrails. So your Claw agent or any other agent won't go rogue and lose all your funds. Can't wait to see what you guys do with the OpenClaw and B3OS integration. Super excited for what you guys launch. Thanks, everyone.